A good bowl of rice can make or break a perfect meal. Hi, welcome to Akinori Kobo. This is how we make our rice at home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more future videos related to food, cooking, and baking. So first things first, this is our rice cooker. We bought this Zojirushi rice cooker a few years ago. We decided to go with bigger and more feature-packed model. There are many different ones, so look for the one that best fits you. This rice cooker has many features and the water measurement markings are really simple to follow for different types of rice. This model is now priced at a little under $200 at Amazon. Next, the main ingredients, rice. Not all rice are created equal. Depending on what kind of rice you have, your dish will taste different. I suggest you try various kinds and find the one you like. There are many types of rice: white, brown, short grain, long grain, and they all have their distinctive taste. At home, we're now mainly eating seka rice that we get in Asian market. And last but not least, you need a measuring cup. So in this example, we're cooking 3 cups of rice. Typically, 1 cup is equal to 2 bowls of cooked rice for our case. What you want to do is run the rice through the water and rinse it well, and do this 3 times. Once that's done, you want to pour water up to the line where it says 3 cups of rice. Close the lid, and we use the quick feature, which takes about 45 minutes to cook, and it will play the music at the start, and when it's all done, it will also play the music to let you know that is ready for you. Now all you need to do is open the lid, take your spatula, and stir the rice well, and it's now ready to be served. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.